This is a 1955 Studebaker. We just did a complete custom exhaust system front to back. Installed some Magnaflow straight through mufflers on it with a X pipe on it. We've got a little fancy with some V-band flanges so you can take it all in and out pretty quick. As you can see, nice and clean right off the motor, both sides. It's got a Chrysler 340 motor in it. Not really the true Studebaker, but it's going to give it some rumble. Not too bad. Let's see what it sounds like. Motor needs a little bit of tuning, make it run a little better, but it smoothed it right out.